Hi folks, welcome. It's Bill here for Bill's Bonsai. Yesterday I tried to record a video. It turned out an absolute disaster. It was an unboxing video and a reveal of my next project I wanted to do. And so because the video turned out a bit of a disaster, what I'm going to do today in this video is just give you a quick rundown of everything, plus show some little clips over this video of some of the video that I recorded the day before. Okay, so basically the unboxing video was all about a new watering system. So I bought some stuff for Amazon. Included a divider for my outside faucet, or tap as we call it in the UK here. So it was a splitter and a watering timer to go on one side of the splitter, and the other side of the splitter was free just for the garden hose as usual. Then there was the hose system, the box, another big box opened up. It was just the hoses and all the connectors and the little sprinklers and various things like that. So it was quite confusing how I was going to set everything up. So I went on my tablet as well, and I tried to make some plans, etc, etc. But what I'll do is, what I'll also do is give you some footage just now in this video of what I did. So let me turn the camera around. I want to show you a few things, okay? So it's actually raining today, so this is I actually had to change this tap. I had to send away for a new tap and fit it on the same day. So just like fast food, you can actually order some ironmongery for companies like Screwfix and things like that. And so I got a new tap delivered and I fitted that yesterday as well. There's a divider there that's a splitter, and each one's got its individual little tap, you know, for turning it on and off, which is excellent. So I've got the hose reel on one side and I've got the timer on the other side, which is, it looks complicated to start with. I've never used one, but it's actually, once you have a quick look at the manual, it's actually really easy. So I've got two little sprinklers here in one of the trees that I've got. That red one gives a little stream, like it's got 8 little holes, and it sprinkles out in 8 little holes, and that one's like a little fountain, the blue one over there. Let me take you up to the greenhouse and my bench. Right, so I'm hoping you can hear me okay, because it is a bit windy now and the weather's turned and it started to rain a little bit. So this is the bench, and I suppose it's easier to show you here. So you can see the little sprinklers there, and like that. I've got little misters as well. A little sprinkler there, a little sprinkler there, a little mister here for the bottom one, and the hose runs up behind the back of that. You can actually see it underneath because I've not quite finished it. Right, so basically I was unboxing all that equipment and installing it, and quite frankly it was it was quite a tricky thing to do. Right, so I'll get rid of this hammer now. My idea for the inside here was to have, I've got one hose coming up and then going along the centre here, so I want to do a couple of misters up here, and I've got one at the end. And the reason for the misters is if I was going to do cuttings, I thought it'd be great for you know, to help with the cuttings, and I wanted to run a line from there along this bar for this shelf, and another line for the next shelf, etc., and the same at the other side. Now this is the hose comes in two parts. You've got two types of hoses. You've got a half-inch hose and a quarter-inch hose. This is a quarter-inch hose, and these are all the little parts that came with it here. Lots of little sort of splitters and various other things. Right, but this is what you fit onto the half-inch hose, and from the half-inch hose goes to these ends here, and then the quarter-inch goes to these parts here. They're really tricky to get on. You have to get the hose warmed up somehow. Let me find an end. So to get the end of that onto this is really quite tricky, so it's best to dig. What they recommend is dunk the end of that into some warm water, make this all soft, and then slide it on. So there's a wee tip for you. So that was my plan, and the video was really long. Like I say, the video was really long-winded and just a bit boring, but the unboxing part of it was just me opening up all the boxes and getting all the components out, like I say. And then I had to try and plan everything and then try and fit everything. So, but I thought it'd be quicker just to show you better just to show you like the finished products and stuff like that. Now with the timer, I'll go back down to the timer. So this is the timer again, and it's actually, like I said, it was actually easier than expected. The timer is set to run every 6 hours, because you can set by turning the dial. You set the current time, and then you set how often you want it, how long you want it for, and then set a start time. It's really quite easy as that, and then off it goes. So if you want it to run for 15 minutes, you can, you know, or half an hour every 6 hours. So it's as easy as that. So that was the long and very complicated video that I wanted to show, that or I tried to record yesterday, that didn't quite make it because the computer crashed. And hopefully I've put over some other pictures on this video of me doing things yesterday, so you don't get to see it all. It's a bit long-winded, like you say. So that was my little project. It was a little automatic watering system, especially for the summer, to help me keep my plants hydrated. Obviously I need to keep a check on them. I can't rely on it 100%. You know, I still want to check, make sure the roots, the water's getting to where it's meant to be, and the roots are well watered and stuff like that. And also to help in the greenhouse with mistings, especially as if I'm doing a lot of cuttings, so which is something I plan to do. And the other reason for the greenhouse is to help preserve some of my trees over the winter, keep them nice and a bit of protection for the winter here. I've lost quite a lot of trees during the winter, so hopefully this will help as well. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video. And that's the rain getting a little bit heavier as well. Thank goodness I'm under a gazebo. So, alright, thanks for watching guys, and I shall see you all in the next video. Cheers now, bye.